We're working on this cute holiday project, and so can you. Scott, what are we doing?
Well, every once in a while I'll get the gumption up to make these angels for Christmas. They're nice little presents, cheap. You can just make them out of a 1x and some plywood. And so this year we thought that we would put together a template, downloadable, that has all the parts drawn out that you can trace and cut out. Like here's the robes, here's the wings. Make your own cute little angels.
Yep.
So
yeah, it's just a link below. It's a PDF you can print yourself.
Yep. So click on that link. While you're at it, click on like and subscribe. And while you're doing that, you can think about what kind of designs you want, because this is an angel that I've made. It's really cool. This is my favorite one. Here's the big reveal. Santa Angel. It's really awesome. Really fun. But then you can also go even farther if you want. And here's one for the kids. Keep them in the holiday spirit, of course, with Spider-Man. So you can make these practically anything. You got the blank template. And yeah, so hope you have fun with this little holiday project. And Merry Christmas.